Hi beautifuls, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the Guzell Box. I think I'm pronouncing that right, and if I know what I'm talking about, I think that's Turkish for beauty or beautiful. I got this box just for 1 month. They sent it to me, as a matter of fact, for review. I asked them to. It's a $20 a month subscription box. It's fairly new. I could only find on YouTube 2 months, a March box and an April box done by the same girl, and her name is escaping me right at this moment, but I will link her at the top and down below. And I looked up all the prices. I've already been in this box to write down my prices. So you open it up, and it looks exactly like this. That was right on top. And it comes in this night. These three little things come in a nice bag. I love these little bags. I have several of them. But anyway. So the first thing in here is a Healing Hands original lotion for dry skin. I have extremely dry skin. This is a sample. Here. It's worth about $1. The next thing in here is NYX lingerie or lingerie, as I say, and it's in the color ruffle trim. I am not going to swatch it, but I will show you the color up close. Oh, it just has a flat old doe foot, and that's the color. It is a liquid lipstick. I will not be trying it on. I will not be wearing it. The next thing in this little bag is called Cargo HD. It is called a travel size. This was worth $7. This is worth $1. This is worth $2, and it is a lip primer. Looks like that. So we take the little bubble wrap that is pineapples. I thought that was really cute. There is a card. It says love. You turn it over. It says Guzel or Guzel. I'm not really trying. May 2018. No prices. The next thing is a Tarte Paint Pretty Eye and Cheek palette that on their website is $8. The thing that concerns me is this did not come in a box. It was just like this. In the box, there's no outer box. It did have the sheet over it. It smells like Tarte products. Looks like that. So this would be the cheek, and this would be the 2 eye products. The cheek product is called Abstract. This is Design, and this is Fame. Like I said, it is not in the box. What did I do with the little sheet? Here it is. This did come on top of it. Like I said, on the Tarte website, it is worth $8. So certainly it comes in a box, I would think. This is the front. This is the back. The next thing that comes in the box, I thought these were cute. I really like these. These are 6 mini brushes by Eco Tools. They are worth $1.99. Here is Essie Sleek Stick Nail Appliques. I thought those were pretty. I have no nails. That's about as long as I ever get. And this I consider free. It's a full packet by American Eagle. This is called Surf for Him, Surf for Her. We'll go ahead and smell them. If they're flowery, I'm not going to like them. I am more of a male fragrant cologne girl myself. So it's a blend of lemon tonic, blue violets, and ocean wash cedar. I don't pick up any woodsy notes in that. It is very strong and has immediately given me a headache. Let's get some fresh air. This one is Surf, and it is cool vibes with the notes of mandarin, which is orange, of course, beach bamboo. Is there such thing? And maritime musk. This will probably be more my speed. Oh, this smell. It might be your thing. We'll let you smell the female. Very floral. I don't like either of them. They're by American Eagle. I used to, back in the day when Jupe came out, had some, I worked at a motel. I always get off on these tangents. I worked at a motel, and they had a cosmetic show. And so I worked at the motel on my lunch break and went over there and looked around. And so I smelled the female Jupe. I just smelled it in the bottle. I was like, put it down, went all around. I come across the men's Jupe. I smelled it, and I spritzed myself with it. So I went around and I looked at all that they had, and I was the front clerk at the motel. I couldn't afford anything in there. And so the representative was selling the Jupe products. I can't tell you now who that is. But came up to me and he was like, "Oh, you smell good. What is that?" And then I was like, "It's Jupe." And so he went to give me some samples of the women's Jupe, and I was like, "Oh no, it's not the women's Jupe. That stuff it stinks to me." That's what I whispered. I was like, "It stinks to me. I don't like that." It's the men's Jupe. I sprayed the men's Jupe on myself at the sample. And he was like, "That's the men's Jupe? You sprayed yourself with men's Jupe?" And I was like, "Yeah." He was like, "Oh, it smells wonderful." He gave me a bottle of men's Jupe. And I used it until it was gone, and people would smell me, and they would say, "What is that?" And I would say, "It's Jupe." So the women would go and buy Jupe, and then it didn't smell like that on them, and they would like, "It don't smell like that on me." And I'd say, "I don't know why. It was men's Jupe." Okay, so here's the next thing. It is Florapie face mask. And this is in the chamomile and patchouli, infused with patchouli aromatherapy. Calm, soothe, and unwind. And these retail for $8. And the next thing, I think it's a pashmina. I have a pashmina. And y'all are gonna laugh and y'all see what it is. You're going, "Yeep." And they're going, "You so ditty." I'm just a small town girl, but it's a pashmina to me, and that's what it was told to me when I bought myself one. Now this is not, mine was not expensive, and it is also a lower grade pashmina, but it is a better grade than this one, but a pashmina is a pashmina. also known in the United States as a scarf made out of cashmere. Cashmere. But it's made from the they're made in the Parisian. They were made in the Parisian area, which is, and they were named by the king, I guess, Cashmere, which is also how the name of the real spelled different, Cashmere. Some of them are made of silk. Mine was made in Pakistan. And I'm going to see if this one has a card saying where it came from. And I'm going to say this one is probably worth around $8, since it doesn't mind. I don't know how much mine costs now. I'm going to say around $15 at the time. Mine is much thicker. This one does not have a tag, and I can't work it back to a company. So this is a pashmina. A lot of people wear pashminas over their shoulder, folded nicely. I'm not going to do it, but you wear it over your shoulder nicely. Like if you were to have on a suit, you would wear it over your shoulder front to back. I have often worn mine like this. Like I said, it's a scarf, but I believe it would be called a pashmina. You can wear it as a head wrap. Like this in your cabriolet as you're riding down the open highway, so your hair doesn't blow. Or me when I was young and had my T-tops. There we go. So I think this might be worth, I'm going to say $10, because I just don't know. It's a cheaper one because, see, you can see through it. See? You can see me through it. So I know it's not one of those that if you Google pashmina, it's not going to be the mid-priced ones that are in their 70s. All right? Okay. So that is going to make the total of the box be $40. And it is a $20 a month subscription. I really think I like my box. I love this. I love scarves. I like to have a chance to wear them. I would certainly buy it. I just may order it. Like I said, I like it. This is what made the box. And this. These are drugstore. I mean, this is drugstore. I mean, Sephora or Ulta. But it's an $8 one. It's not a $3 one. It is a very thick mask. It's not like some of my ones that I get from Miss A. So yeah, I think it's worth it. Well, I like the box, and I just made, like I said, I asked to review it, and they sent me a box. And if all the boxes were like this, then I would say it's worth the $20. So yeah, I mean, it's a piece of clothing. So I don't know if all of them are like this. Like I said, I'll leave the link down below, so you'll know what she got in her box. It was nothing like what I've got in my box. So you can see hers and you can see mine. And her name has just escaped me, and to her, I am very sorry. So yeah, I like this box. And you know, does it compare to BoxyCharm? No, they're brand new. It is on Kate Joy. If you want to check them out, go to Crate Joy, and it tells you it's a brand new box. So I don't know how long it's been on there. I seen it a couple of months ago, and then I contacted them just a few weeks ago, and then I got this. So yeah, and I like it. And I love my pashmina, whether it's called a pashmina or if it's just a scarf. But it was folded up like a pashmina comes. So, yeah. And now I'm rambling on. I'm tired. I have been up since 8:30 this morning. It is now nearing 9. I'm tired. But if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. And I'll chat with y'all next time. Bye-bye.